You are the result of an accumulation of all the people you met, all the experiences you had, and all the things you went through. This realization is very interesting because it can help you gain a different perspective on your life. It can allow you to appreciate the unique journey that has shaped who you are today. Understanding that who you are now is an accumulation of the things you've been through can bring a sense of peace and acceptance. Every person you encounter leaves a mark on your life, whether they play an important role or simply pass through briefly. From family and friends to strangers and guides, each interaction contributes to your growth and understanding of the world. Think back to the teacher who inspired you to pursue a specific passion, the friend who stood by you during tough times, or even the person who hurt you but taught you invaluable lessons about resilience and self-worth. These individuals, knowingly or unknowingly, have helped shape your beliefs, values, and behaviors. Our experiences, both good and bad, are the foundation of our character. The wins fill us with confidence and pride, while the challenges test our limits and helps us grow. It's often the difficult moments that teach us the most. When I think about the times I've faced adversity, I realize how those experiences have strengthened me. They've taught me about patience and perseverance and the importance of self-compassion. Each setback has been a stepping stone guiding me towards a deeper understanding of myself and my place in the world. The idea that we are an accumulation of our experiences can also help us cultivate empathy and understanding for others. Everyone is on their own unique journey, shaped by different encounters and events. This perspective can remind us to be kinder to one another, knowing that everyone is carrying their own set of stories and lessons. Reflecting on our past can be a powerful exercise. It allows us to see patterns, recognize growth, and identify areas where we still need to work. It also helps us understand that nothing is wasted. Every moment, every interaction has a purpose in our personal evolution. Even the most mundane or painful experiences have contributed to our current selves. This understanding can bring a sense of peace and acceptance, knowing that everything we've been through has led us to where we are now. One of the most liberating aspects of this perspective is realizing that we are not defined by any single moment or experiences. We are a mosaic of these multiple influences and events, and we have the power to choose how we respond and grow from them. This realization can inspire us to be more intentional about the people we surround ourselves with and the experiences we seek. It encourages us to embrace new opportunities, knowing that they will add to the richness of our lives. It's also important to acknowledge the role of self-reflection in this process. Taking time to reflect on our experiences allows us to extract meaning and lessons from them. Journaling, meditating, or simply having a quiet moment to think can help us process our thoughts and emotions, leading to greater self-awareness and personal growth. As we move forward, it's crucial to remember that we are constantly evolving. The people we met, the experiences we have, and the challenges we face will continue to shape us. Embracing this ongoing journey can fill us with a sense of curiosity and excitement about the future. It reminds us that there is always room for growth and new discoveries. In recognizing that we are the result of an accumulation of all the people we've met, all the experiences we've had, and all the things we've gone through, we gain a profound sense of gratitude and perspective. This realization highlights the interconnectedness of our lives and the continuous process of becoming. By appreciating this complexity, we can approach life with a greater compassion and curiosity and a deeper understanding of ourselves and others. Let this awareness guide us to embrace our journey, honor our past, and look forward to the future with hope and resilience.